coder who wants to spend less time in typing and code more? Do you think you can't be in two places at once? Are you a manager and tired of repeating instruction or MOAs to employees? आज के दिन में there are so many AIs that can help you from writing an entire code, from condensing PDFs and helping you in your career. इस वीडियो में we are going to tell you about different AIs that you need to know about. Personally, my favorite ones that I will tell in the last, so stay tuned in this video. Let's start off with Sembly AI. कोडर्स को टीम कोलैबोरेशन बहुत करना पड़ता है. They need to work with designers, project managers, collaborators to ensure the efficiency and transparency. पर अगर आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा मीटिंग्स हो, मतलब multiple meetings at the same time, so this is where the Sembly can jump in and save the day. जो मीटिंग्स आप अटेंड नहीं कर सकते हो, you can send Sembly to attend it for you. Sembly बस मीटिंग को अटेंड ही नहीं करता, it also transcribes it, summarizes जो भी मीटिंग में होता है. Sembly is a smart AI which has a NLP model which is Natural Language Processing Model, जो बेसिकली रिकॉग्नाइज करता है मोर प्रोडक्टिव पार्ट्स ऑफ द मीटिंग एंड उनको फिगर आउट करता है कि व्हाट नीड्स टू डू व्हाट एंड बाय व्हेन, कितना घंटा सेव हो रहा है ना. Since we are talking about saving time, so let's also talk about MEM AI, which is also a smart AI. And do you have so many meetings and you can't keep track of them? Meeting miss हो रहे हैं, email notification नहीं आ रहे हैं. You can solve all these problems at once with MEM AI. MEM stands for memory and it's a note-taking AI that turns all your notes into organized documents. It syncs to your calendar and remind you of upcoming events, for example, email notifications, the reminders, and even the flight confirmation also. जो भी thoughts दिमाग में आ रहे हैं, you can write it down and search it anytime thanks to Smart Search, which is your personalized search engine. Smart Search helps you to write complete paragraph and sentences without spelling errors and correction errors. It saves your time writing emails and responses anytime. अब आप सब कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं with MEM's help. If you are getting curious and wants to try these AIs, it's just a one click away. वीडियो में आगे हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि एक ऐसी फ्री वेबसाइट जहां से आप ये सारे AIs फ्री में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. Are you in charge of training new employees and ropes about the company? आप थक गए हैं उनके repeated questions से? Scribe is a one-step solution for all of these problems. Simply turn on the Scribe recorder and start your recording process. Instead of having a live meeting with instructions, employees can go back and watch these meetings anytime, anywhere. Training guides, tutorials, SOPs can be shared instantly through this app. Save time and just send across a Scribe. अब हम लोग poised का बात करते हैं. Maybe you are an introvert and having a stage fright, right? Coding बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हो लेकिन लोगों से बात ही नहीं कर सकते हो. Backbencher होके पूरा स्कूल निकल गया लेकिन now you are not able to present anything at any time. You must have a stage fright. Stage fright आपको लोगों से बात भी नहीं करने दे रहा है with full confidence. आप same problem face कर रहे हैं ना. अब सब कुछ ऑनलाइन हो गया है and you still don't know what to do. आपको Poised के साथ प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. Poised is an AI that you can keep in a meeting that will judge the tone of your voice, the words you will say, even it will also rate your speaking skills. आपकी आवाज में clarity, confidence, emotions and कितनी बार आप eye contact रख रहे हो, ये उसको भी notice करता है. It gives real-time suggestions on how you can improve yourself while speaking to anybody. After practicing alone, Poised AI को आप मीटिंग में भी रख सकते हैं and वो बैकग्राउंड में suggestions देते रहेगा. Get over your fear and act poised with Poised AI. Humata मेरा एक personal favorite है, which I think everyone needs to know about. I wish I knew about this in college. Do you have less time to read through endless pages of content from articles to papers? Simply upload your PDF into AI Humata. It will condense the PDF and summarizes it. अगर आपको पूरे PDF में कुछ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन का आंसर चाहिए, then just search it up. It can also write papers for you according to your uploaded content. And अगर आपको कुछ और फॉर्मेट भी चाहिए तो ये वो भी कर लेगा. ये फीचर रिपोर्ट्स एंड प्रेजेंटेशन बनाने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Humata also has the ability to translate one text to another. मतलब ये आपको एक लैंग्वेज से दूसरी लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेट करके भी दे देगा. Thanks to Humata's advanced language capabilities, it ensures the users can learn faster and smoother. Instead of taking the time to Google these AI by yourself, you can just scroll up and can find the links in the description above. We hope this video taught you different types of AI that you didn't know existed. And let's not forget the most important person of the story, you. Always stay curious, stay connected, and always stay ahead of the technological wave. Thank you.